The Kreg Rip Cut has been one of my best purchases as a DIYer. I use this Kreg Rip Cut to create a slat wall from 1/2-inch birch plywood. Since I was able to lock in the setting, that eliminated the need to measure before every cut, which was perfect because I needed 75 1.5-inch slats. That would have been a pain to remeasure for all 75 cuts. I also used 1-inch insulation foam underneath my plywood so I wouldn't have to worry about cutting through my sawhorses or the ground. Once I cut all the slats, I sanded down the edges with 120 grit sandpaper. This is totally optional though because I've never had any issues with splintering while using the Kreg Rip Cut. I then nailed the slats onto the wall using my brad nailer and a scrap piece of plywood as a spacer between each slat. To ensure you get all the slats straight, use a laser level and a manual laser frequently. The Kreg Rip Cut attaches to your circular saw to create straight, accurate cuts. It can cut plywood as small as 1 inch wide and as large as 24 inches wide. It can be used for left or right bladed saws and users. It was extremely easy to set up and use, and I definitely wouldn't have been able to do this project without it.